Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the Unit 2 Force and Motion. What is a force and what is a motion? If a force, if a definition, the force is a push or pull on object. The resulting from the object is interaction with another object. Okay, is a SI unit of force is Newton. And what is a motion? Motion is a physics changing with the time of the position of orientation of the body. Okay, so changing with uh, with time of the position of orientation of the body. Mathematically is described from the term of for the motion, displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed, and time. Okay, and this unit we discussing about for the chapter and force and motion. Okay, if initially if you explain for, so what is the distance and what is the displacement? Okay, now if you given for the some examples for distance and displacement. Okay, so if you this picture, the first picture, if you two both is having the both A is 1.5 kilometer and both B is a 2 kilometer. Okay, if your person, if you're moving for the two ways, okay, what is the distance and displacement? Okay, and second examples, if you given for of then trees, if there is a no wind, okay, what is both of the leaf, and suppose if you wind, what is the both of the leaf? Okay, so if you then two examples, if two examples is given for of if a distance and displacement, if in another one examples is given for if a person moving for of two waves. Okay, so if a both A is moving for a school to playground, and another wave both B if a person moving for school to home after it moving for a playground. So what is the distance and what is the displacement? If it is an examples of three examples is clearly explained. For above examples we could concluded when your object traveling from one place to another, it will be reaching the faster in the travel along the straight line path. If a straight line of path, shortest distance between the 2 points. What is a straight line? What is the longest path of 2 pointers? Okay. Now, if we initially, if we then what is the definition of distance and displacement? Now, if we discussing the distance, the definition of distance, then total length of the path taken by an object to reaching the one place from another place is called distance. The total length of the path. What is the total length of the path? If a person moving to school to playground, okay, so a school to playground is mean if you're moving the total length of the path. Okay, so if a total length of the path is mean is suppose if the value of 3 kilometer is mean, if you 2 kilometer, if you entirely the total path is 5 kilometer, is called of distance. Okay, so what is the displacement? What is the displacement? If a displacement, if a definition, the shortest distance from of the initial and final position of the object. So initial and final position of the object is shortest distance. What is the shortest distance? The both A is very shortest distance, correct? If it is an initial point and then final point. If a very shortest distance is mean is called of displacement. The same for these examples also. Is a two path, the first path is 1.5 kilometer and second path is 2 kilometer. Okay, if you say what is the least of the very least of the distance, the least distance is comparing up to a two path is 1.5 kilometer. If a 1.5 kilometer is called of displacement and 2 kilometer is called of distance. So what is the entire of distance? One entire of both of distance, total traveling of both is mean if you 1.5 kilometer and 2 kilometer, if you 3.5 kilometer of total object traveling the both. Okay, and the same if you then displacement and distance, the unit is same also. The both of the distance and displacement, suppose the same unit is called of meter. Okay, now if you again know I explain for of this concept. Okay, a person if you moving for then between the A and B, if you moving the point A to B. Okay, if you first initially moving first bar the 10 kilometer and second bar 7 kilometer and third bar 5 kilometer. If it is same, what is the distance and what is the displacement? Okay, if your initial and final position, if your very shortest distance is called shortest to both of the object is called an of displacement. So if you explain what is the displacement of the 3 point, if your third is a very shortest correct one, okay, 10 kilometers, 7 kilometers, comparing of the third point, third displacement is called an of 3 kilometers. So if it is a displacement is called the very shortest pointer. Okay, so it's also explained for of the concept. Now he traveled, if some person is a travel of 10 kilometer is a pass path correct one, and second kilometer is 7 kilometer. Okay, if the distance between A and B, first path is a 10 kilometer and second path is 7 kilometer. If the shortest distance between the two places is 5 kilometer, if a reference is us to. Okay, so if a displacement is a 5 kilometer correct, the displacement is a 5 kilometer is mean the remaining of 10 kilometer and 7 kilometer is called distance. Because if you comparing of them, comparing of the two, if a third one is very low, very least of traveling of object, so it's called enough displacement. And another, if you explain the concept, very shortest distance in and a straight line of motion of object is called also displacement. So if in the third one is a displacement and another of two is called distance. Okay, and in another example is given for if your object moving for A to B. Okay, so if your two waves of moving of the both, if your first wave is a 120 meter and second wave is a 40 meter, if you see now what is the distance and what is the displacement. Okay, now if your 40 meter is called displacement correct, and if your 120 meter is mean distance. What is the distance, what is the displacement? If again I explain for the concept definition. Okay, so if a shortest point on straight line of traveling the object, straight line of traveling object is mean A to B is a straight line, so 40 meter, and comparing of then A to B, this point is 120 meter. So if your very shortest point is called of displacement, and if your longest point is called of distance. Okay, if the same, if the both of object the traveling of A to B, if in diagram in the total distance covered by the object is 120 meter and displacement is a 40 meter correct. So if it's the same concept, if it's a rapid, okay, is an distance and displacement, if you then explain the two diagram. Okay, now if you are considering of each square on 1 unit of square meter. Okay, the rabbit started from of point A and reaching the point is B. Okay, if a rabbit is moving up the point is initially A and reaching to B. Okay, if we considering then each square on unit uh, on 1 square meter. Okay, 1 square meter. Okay, so if your length and breadth is 1 meter, that is meaning. Now if you can explain the concept, when will be the distance and displacement are equal, and explain the starting and finishing point should be then different. Okay, so when will be then distance and displacement is equal, if you suppose if you considering A to B, the A to B is suppose if you 3 meter is mean. So if you same point, okay, if you then 1 2 3 square is covered for A to B, and it's called an of displacement. Suppose if your distance, if you are traveling the object, if a distance 1 2 3, so if you covered of point, this point is also equal to distance and displacement, and also 1 2 3, this 3 point is also equal of distance and displacement though. So this point is a distance and displacement also equal. Okay, that is the answer for the question. Okay, what will be then distance and displacement are equal. Okay, and the next one, when we within a reference of displacement we and positive or negative. Okay, within depending on the direction of the direction which will be then travels. Okay, now if we then we are considering of straight starting point A and object is moving from of A to B. Okay, then displacement is in considering of positive, and from of B to A is negative. Are you clear? What is a positive and negative of displacement? Okay, there are the two types of displacement: positive displacement and negative displacement. Okay, so if you positive displacement, the object is moving to A to B. Okay, object is moving to A to B. is called a positive of displacement. And if in negative of displacement, what is the negative of displacement? Object is moving to B to A is called negative of displacement. Okay, so positive of displacement is moving off one point to another point and again return to same point is called of negative of displacement. Suppose if you consider you are moving to school, home in your home and to school. Okay, the home in school is a positive of displacement and again evening return to school to home is negative of displacement. Okay, if you are traveling the distance is same but if you're moving opposite direction so it's a negative of displacement. Okay, and if answering the following questions, Subha goes to neighbor, nearly by playground from her home. Oh, okay, so this is a figure. And what is the distance she traveled? Okay, what is the distance? Distance is mean if a total distance covered of bath. So if you have 400 meter, if you have 400 meter, this is the answer for 400 meter for the distance she is traveled. What is her displacement? If a shortest point, initial and final position, if a shortest two points, this point to and this point, so 100 meter. Okay, so 100 meter is called is her displacement. Okay, now the distance traveled by an object is 15 meter and displacement is 15 meter. What will be infer from is, so it's mean if your value, okay, so the distance and displacement, if your object is 15 kilometer and if your displacement is 15 kilometer. Okay, so it's mean that there is no changes of the object is moving the position and the distance a person is 30 kilometer or the displacement if a 0 kilometer, what will be infer is. Okay, so if you then suppose then object is moving for of 15 kilometer, 15 kilometer. Okay, is a 15 kilometer, it's mean then moving of positive of direction. And again suppose if you're moving after the negative of direction is 15. Okay, is a positive of direction, negative of direction. So 15 plus 15 and minus 15, the result is 0. That is a meaning if your displacement is 0 kilometer. Are you clear? Okay, and suppose if your object is moving for a his object is moving for a 15 kilometer and again is moving for a 15 kilometer, is a negative of displace distance is not having. So if you 15 plus 15 is a 13 kilometer. Okay, so if you then the distance of person 30 kilometer is mean is a distance there is no considering of positive and negative, and displacement if you considering of positive or negative so will be then 0 kilometer and 30 kilometer. Okay, and if you explained on concept for of distance and displacement. Okay, and if a next one, if a speed and velocity. Okay, so what is the speed and what is the velocity? And if you explain of speed is a 600 already of discussing for of speed. Okay, and if you then a definition, the speed is a rate of change of distance. What is the distance? If the longest point of what traveling the object is called of distance. If a change of distance is called of speed. What is the change of distance? Okay, so if your speed equal to distance by time. Okay, so speed equal to distance by time, that is a formula, the very important of definition. What is the speed? The speed is the rate of change of distance and the formula of the speed distance by time is a unit of speed is meter. Okay, so if there are the two types of the speed having uniform speed, non-uniform speed. Okay, if do you know if you have, what is the 1 kilometer per hour if you're moving for a your bike? Okay, any of vehicles, um, if you're moving for a vehicle and any of the vehicles, then your speedometer and odometer, correct? If your speedometer if indicating of 30 kilometer is mean, if you then reaching of after one same speed if you moving mean after one hour if you are reaching for 30 kilometer, that is the meaning. So what is explained here? 1 kilometer per hour, 1 kilometer per hour is mean 1 kilometer if you convert to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 hour if you 3600 second, if you divide the values is a meaning of 5 by 18 of meter per second. Okay, now if you are using of this value if you have sums. Okay, now if you have two types of speed for the uniform speed and non-uniform speed. If your body in your motion cover a equal distance and equal interval time, in then body is said to be of uniform speed. Your body motion cover equal distance and equal interval time. Okay, then body is said to be uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed. If you're moving off one object if you then same time and another object is the same time, okay, and distance covered is also same, is mean you call them uniform speed. If any changes of the two objects, any changes of the time and the speed is called enough non-uniform speed. Okay, if your body is covered unequal of distance, the equal interval time, the body is said to be on non-uniform speed. The average speed total, the formula, the average speed equal to distance, total distance traveled by time taken by travel of distance, that is the value. Okay, so the speed, and there are two types, uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Okay, thank you, see you in the next class.